What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn your post notifications. Today is Tuesday, May 6th. It is 6:57 a.m. I just woke up and we're about to get this day started.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
Now, my original plan was to wake up at 5 a.m. and get to the gym, but slept in the rain outside. I don't know, it's just raining outside and just makes you sleep a little bit harder. But other than that, we're gonna get there regardless. We're gonna get there to get a good workout. Um, Yesterday, I'll go over that in a bit, but today I have band practice with the church band I was telling you guys that I play with on Tuesday. So we typically have a practice once a week. So that's either Monday, Tuesday, or Thursday, just depending on everybody's schedule. But those practices can range from, an hour and a half to 2 hours, just depending on how much we want to practice a certain, set of songs, or how little mistakes we want in those songs in the practice. So that could range that long on those weekdays. So practice is at 6:30. By the time we start, it'll probably be like 6:45. By the time we get done, it may be a little past 8. So at that time you just want to come home. So the best time for me to get to the gym, the way I foresee it, is in the morning, unless I'm going with my wife sometime during the day or in the evening. This is the best way to do it. So today, even though I didn't get up at 5, I'm still gonna make a way to get there, get in the gym. So I have a haircut appointment at 9. Like for myself, I'm about to get a haircut. So what I thought is drop my kids off by 7:15, get to the gym, do my workout, go get my haircut, get to the shop, do the haircuts that I have to personally do for other people, and then get off at 6, go to practice, and boom, that's the day. So that's what today's gonna look like. Tomorrow's another day, but for yesterday, I have to give you guys the numbers on what we're looking at. So yesterday, I had 1,345 calories for breakfast. Well, technically lunch, because it was like a brunch that my mom had cooked. I had 2 sausage patties, 228 calories. I had bacon, which was 320 calories, and I had eggs, which is 358 calories. So that was the biggest meal of the day. And then after that, I had for dinner, my wife made some chicken breast tenderloin, and that was very delicious. I had 12 ounces of that for 330 calories. And then overall, a synopsis of the day, as far as like, your micronutrients. Protein, I had 142 grams of protein. I had 6 grams total of carbohydrates and 73 grams of fat. So that was what we're looking like yesterday. Now, I know in the video yesterday I had said no carbs total, but I think that's like really impossible, because you're going to get some carbohydrates from natural whole foods, just like a minimal amount. But that's what we're looking at for yesterday. So today is a new day. We'll see what we get into today. Today I'm going to be doing back. I'm going to be doing a back day. And then so with that, I really was very cautious of trying to lift back before, because of my I have disc herniations and stuff like that. I have nerve issues. So for a long time I used that as like a crutch, like an excuse, another excuse to not get into the gym like I need to. Reason being is that I can't, like I said, I can't feel from my left butt cheek to my foot. I don't know if I told you all that. So it's just completely numb and tingly all day, every day, since May of 2024. So the neck and spine doctor I went to has me on gabapentin 3 times a day. I'm going to take that. Which essentially, when what I've been told, is it's a nerve pain blocker. So I don't get as much signal to my brain for that pain to travel there. And I don't know. I'm not a doctor. It works somewhat. It doesn't take the numbness or tingling away, but it does help the pain to be at a bearable amount. So I take that 3 times a day, and when I don't take it, I notice very well. Got a energy drink here. I do highly function off of caffeine. If I don't have caffeine, it's not a good day. So I'm gonna have some caffeine before we get to the gym. And my goal today is to drink a lot more water than I did yesterday. Other than that, let's get to the gym. I don't know. Yesterday, my wife went to the gym with me, so she was able to record little bits of the workout that I did. So today, I don't know if I'm going to have that luxury. I am still trying to get comfortable recording in the gym. I know it's not like anything serious and nobody cares. Everybody's in their own world. Everybody's, doing their own workouts and stuff like that. But for me, recording out in public, it doesn't bother me. Like, I can go to the grocery store and talk in the camera. I can go be in the airport and talk in the camera. I can be in the barbershop and film stupid skits, and it won't faze me. It won't cross my mind. But there's something about being in the gym that is like, I don't know. Recording in the gym to me is just like, it's nerve-wracking right now. Not in a sense like it's debilitating, nerve-wracking, but it's just like, it just causes anxiety in that way. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but we're gonna get more comfortable with that, and gonna have to, because I'm gonna be doing this for 30 days straight, and hopefully sustain something afterwards as well. But I appreciate everybody's comments in the first video. A lot of people reached out, commented what they thought, and I think that's dope that you guys did that. I appreciate that. I'm gonna try to get to commenting back to a lot of people about that. But yeah, let's get to the gym. We got Davey So Wavy and Luis up in the gym here. Now, usually I'll work out with these guys if I see them in the morning, but they're doing chest and tris, and we already did that yesterday. So we're gonna do back today. So, Davey, how many days you been in the gym now?
A month straight.
A month straight. Look at that. No more panza.
No more panza.
Hey. As you can see, your boy got a haircut. There it is right there. Went super short on the top. We did an 8 guard. But after I left the gym is when I went to go get my haircut. Then went to the shop, cut 2 people up. But today at the gym, we did back, as y'all could see in the videos before. Did four sets of each exercise. For the first 3 sets of each exercise, I increased the weight. And then for my last exercise, or my last set of the exercise, decreased the weight and went to muscle failure. And then I did 20 minutes of cardio, incline walked. And then, yeah, so that's 2 days in the gym. I came home, and then I had 3 boiled eggs and some strawberries. And yeah, that was before I went to the shop. So I came home, showered, ate breakfast, went to the shop for 2 haircuts. And now I'm going to pick up some sneakers, because I love shoes. And there's a steal, right? Somebody's getting rid of shoes for a steal. And yeah, I think I'm gonna go get them. So that was today's journey at the gym. One of the things that's helped me with cardio and like longevity wise and being on there for a long extended period of time is listening to like live versions of concerts recently. I am a musician, so I really enjoy watching live musicianship and people, doing that. We'll see where else this vlog goes.
I'm begging you,
All right, y'all, so there you have it. That'll close out the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed the little snippet of my brother and I and 3 other girls from the church that we play with. My sister-in-law, my brother's wife, is one of them that was singing. But yeah, that's the band. What was I gonna say? Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Back at the gym tomorrow. I think I have, right now, at this moment, I won't go over everything, like the calories and macros and all that stuff yet. Maybe they'll be on tomorrow's vlog. But as of right now, I think I have like 300 calories left to use. But I don't know if I'm gonna use them. But it is what it is. And we locked in, and we're gonna keep at it. So a couple people had left ideas for, you know, what to call this series. I was thinking like fading fat or fade the fat or something like that. I don't know. One of these other options I seen was barber versus the belly. I thought that was funny. But yeah, I think I have an idea for this series. So stay tuned. This is day 2. Tomorrow's day 3. Thank y'all for watching. God bless.